Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Davi Muntazar from Group 14, and today we just discussed about sports and here our presentation about it. So the title is Exploring the World of Sports from Ancient Origins to Modern Impact. So the reason why we choose this title is because it clearly shows that what our presentation is about. We want to take a look how sports started in ancient times and how they have grown to influence the world today. This title helps us focus on both the history and the impact of sports in a way that everyone can understand. So, before we jump into the topic, this is our member of the group 14, and we all gonna explain it to you about this topic. And then, before we deep dive into the topic, we must know what is sports actually. Sports are organized physical activities that involve competition, skill, and recreation. Yeah, they can be individual, like running or swimming, or team-based, like soccer or basketball. Sports are not just limited to physical exertion. They also include mental activities like chess, which requires strategy and focus. Some of you will ask the question, why are sports important? So sports is really important in our life because promote health and fitness. Participating in sports improves physical health, boosts mental well-being, and help prevent lifestyle diseases. Sports can also build character through discipline and teamwork. Sports teach discipline, cooperation, and leadership skills which are very valuable in our daily life. And sports can unite people across cultures and regions. So it's a social connections. They bring people together, fostering friendships and a sense of community, whether through playing or supporting teams. So in summary, sports are not just games. They are a vital part of personal development, social interaction, and cultural identity. And then the next topic will be explained by my friend. Thank you very much.
In Egypt, around 2000 before century, evidence shows that activities like running and wrestling were prominent. Meanwhile, in Greece, the first Olympic Games were held in 776 before century, honoring Zeus and emphasizing physical prowess. But ancient sports were more than just physical activities. They had profound cultural and religious significance. For example, the Greek Olympics weren't just competitions. They symbolized unity and reverence for the gods. These early practices laid the foundation for what we know as sports today, bringing people together, celebrating skill, and marking important cultural milestones. Sports during this period varied significantly by class. The nobility engaged in formal events like jousting, archery, and hunting, showcasing their training for combat and status. In contrast, commoners played early forms of soccer and handball, creating traditions that evolved into modern team sports. Sports serve multiple roles, from entertainment to physical preparation for war. They also became a medium for passing down cultural values and fostering community ties across generations. This period highlights how sports adapted to meet the needs of different groups, setting the stage for their societal role today.
So here is the birth of modern sports. In the 18th and 19th centuries marked the transformation of sports into their modern forms during the Industrial Revolution. This era brought the standardization of rules and the creation of organized clubs and leagues, which is ensuring fair competition and broader participation. The British Empire played a critical role in popularizing sports like cricket, rugby, and football across the globe. Additionally, Global organizations such as the International Olympic Committee, or as known as IOC, established in 1894, and FIFA, created in 1904, they are formalized international competitions. This development unified sport under structured governance and laid the foundation for global sport culture. Next. And here is the major milestones in sports. One of the most significant milestones in sports was the revival of the Olympic Games in 1896, which reintroduced ancient tradition in a modern and global context. International events like the FIFA World Cup and the NBA further promoted global unity, bringing diverse cultures together through competition. The advent of television in the 1950s amplified the impact of sport by reaching global audience, turning athletes into international heroes and making sports a cornerstone of modern entertainment. Through these milestones, sports evolved into a powerful medium for cultural exchange, unity, and shared human experiences while modernizing their ancient origins.
Next, slide 7 is types of sport. Nah, sports presents a world full of diversity, catering to all interests and abilities. Not everyone enjoy the same activity. Nah, and that is the beauty of it. Okay, first we have a team sports such as football, basketball, and volleyball, and many others, which require teamwork, coordination, and strong communication among players to achieve victory. Every member of the team plays a vital role, and success depends on how well they work together. For those who prefer individual challenge, there are individual sports like tennis, swimming, and athletic. Here, the spotlight is on personal performance, speed, endurance, and consistency. It's about pushing yourself to the limit, improving your skill, and competing with your own best version. Now, next, for the seeking adrenaline and mental toughness, there are a combat sport like boxing, karate, and MMA. These sports combine physical strength, mental resilience, and strategy to face opponent in the ring or arena. Finally, for the advanced spirit, there are adventure sports like skateboarding, rock climbing, and surfing, and many others. That sports require agility, creativity, and the courage to embrace challenge while exploring the natural environment. Nah, they push us out of the comfort zone, teaching us to overcome fear and enjoy the freedom of movement. Through these diverse types of sports, we see that sports are more than just competition. There is presence, choice, freedom, and inclusiveness. Everyone can find a sport that suits their interests, skill, and personality. Next is physical benefit of sport. Nah, sports bring incredible benefits to our physical well-being, and it goes for beyond just fitness. When we make sport as part of our daily lives, our bodies experience numerous positive change. One of the key benefits is improved cardiovascular health. Nah, cardiovascular health is physical activity strengthens the heart, boost blood circulation, and help regulate blood pressure, keeping the heart in its best condition. Nah, sport also enhance strength, endurance, and flexibility. Regular movement builds stronger muscles, improve stamina, and keeps our body flexible, making day-to-day activities easier and more enjoyable. Nah, beyond improving fitness, sport play a vital role in preventing chronic disease like obesity, diabetes, and after serious health concern by maintaining a healthy weight and improving metabolism. Nah, sports become our stronger defense against lifestyle disease, helping us live longer and healthier lives. In short, sports are not just an option. They are a necessity, they are an investment in our physical health, allowing us to become stronger, healthier, and happier. By staying active, we prepare our bodies to face challenges today and in the future.
Mental and social benefit of sport. Sport provide numerous mental and social advantages. They enhance mental health by reducing stress, boosting mood, and improving focus. Additionally, they promote the development of social skills such as teamwork, communication, and leadership, as well as personal traits like resilience, self-discipline, and the ability to set the achieved goals. Challenges in sport. Despite its benefit, sports come with challenges. Common issues include injuries in high-contact sport, inequality due to limit access for women and marginalized group, and the problem of doping, which undermines the spirit of fair competition.
Let's move to sports and society. The relation between sports and society we can see here in the 3 points. First is cultural significance, how the sports giving impacts and have relation between tradition and value in all over the world, either in Indonesia or in international events. And then how sports give uniting in diversity, such as events like Olympics or other sports activity that make other people unite in their nation. And third is inspiration, athlete as role model for other people and among other athletes that give them inspiration. And moving to the business of sports, we can know that sports are giving a very large impact in economic life and finance, that billion in revenue for sponsorship, broadcasting, and merchandise, and other things such as global events such as World Cup, Olympic, and other like Asian Games. And the third is global brands like Nike, Adidas, and other brands that provide any other sport apparel that can give a big financial and economic impacts in our financial and life.
Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Marcelo Lubis with name 2410911110022. Now I want to explain the slide 13, the future of sport. The future of sport is there are three. There are technology, sustainability, and inclusivity. The first is technology. There was the VR training, AI analysis, and wearable tech. Number two is sustainability. There was eco-friendly stadiums and greener events. And then there was inclusivity, is expanding access for differently able athletes. And then the future is for focus on innovation and trends that will shape the next era of sport, including technological advancements, environmental responsibility, and the push for inclusivity. Now, I want to explain about the slide 14. Conclusion and call to action. The one is summary. Sports have a rich history and play a vital role in health, culture, and the economy. After that, the two is engagement. How can sport influence your life or your community positively? Conclude with a recap of the presentation key points and encourage the audience to reflect on their personal connection, to sport or in the social impact. Sport is very important in our life. Sport can be our healthy, economy, and etc. So that make your life healthy with the sport. This is all our presentation about sport. We say thanks for your attention. I and my friends request for ourselves. See you in the next video.